And you can see there's a massive amount of rocks. If you're going to grow potatoes, you've got to get those rocks out. You got to remove them from the soil. Wood Prairie Family Farm is located in northern Maine. In northern Maine, there's a lot of glaciers that have come through. And as they come through, they've dropped off rocks. So all of Aroostook County has rocks in it. And our farm has the reputation as being the rockiest farm in the entire town of Bridgewater. This field here is one that's probably the rockiest field on our rocky farm. Once we cleared it and ran the mechanical rock picker over it, we took out 800 cubic yards of rock from 4 acres, 200 yards per acre. This is the first time that this has ever been torn up. It's been used as a field road without any improvement. We've never dumped any gravel here at all, just a seasonal field road. But it gives you an illustration of how many rocks were left by the glaciers and what a massive amount of effort, human labor it would take to get rid of these rocks so you could grow potatoes. So in Aroostook County, the last step is always picking rocks. What we're doing right now is getting any rocks that stick up 3 inches above the ground. Once the sod grows in, you can't see it, and we need to make sure that we're not going to bust up farm equipment coming over. This Frank Kinney farm that we're on, we've been here just shy of 50 years. So 110 years ago, the Kinneys came up to this farm, started to clear it. As we could see on the edge of the field, there were rocks that were dumped, so we knew it had been cleared out. When we decided to clear the land again ourselves, when we cut the trees down, we counted the rings on the stumps. They were about 75 rings, representing 75 years growth. What we came to conclude was that they had abandoned this 4-acre field pretty quick after they had cleared it. And for the longest while, we couldn't quite figure out why that was. Once we cleared it, took the trees off, took the stumps out, and started to go over it with our mechanical rock picker, we quickly figured out, at least to our satisfaction, why they abandoned it. And it was because there were so many rocks in this field that I think they just lost heart and decided it wasn't worth messing around with. So this hole that Caleb dug here last week, this has been untouched for 100 years. I don't think the Kinneys put much effort into clearing the rocks here, so I think this is kind of a glimpse into what this soil looked like when the last glacier left 11,000 years ago. And you can see there's a massive amount of rocks. You can't grow potatoes with rocks. You got to get rid of the rocks because the potatoes will bash against the rock or a rock against the potato and bruise it. So you've got to get rid of the rocks. Additionally, if you're using equipment, these rocks, when they're embedded in the ground, you know, a plow or a tooth for a harrow comes up against a hard rock and it'll snap right off. So rocky ground is tough for agriculture. We had one neighbor, Earl McKinnon, farmer on the road, born in 1904. And he was telling me the story that when he was 8 years old, that'd be 1912, he was on the back of a horse and his job was to hold the reins as they were using a block and tackle to pop out stumps. They'd take the strongest stump and they'd use that as the anchor, and then they use a block and tackle to pull out the remaining stumps around there. So he would ride on the back of the horse when he was 8 years old, helping to pop out the stumps. So that was the first time fields on this side of town had their trees logged off, had the stumps popped out, and then they could start to farm potato ground. So if you're growing potatoes on a field every 2 or 3 years, in the course of 50 years, you've got 15 or 20 times that you have to get the rocks out. So right now, compared with 50 years ago, there's a lot fewer rocks in Aroostook County. And the frost continues to push rocks upward, and then we grab them with a chisel plow or a vibra shank, and we pull them to the surface and then have to remove them. But by now, on virtually all fields in Aroostook County, probably 95–98% of the rocks have been removed. In the case of our farm, we haven't had mechanical harvesters over it nearly as long as the other farms. So I'd say we probably removed, on average, maybe 95% of the rocks. So you get in a field like this that started out with such a high amount of rocks, we're still taking rocks out of this field every 4 years. With our 4-year rotation, we grow potatoes once every 4 years, so we get one chance every 4 years to remove the rocks. So we cut it about 3 or 4 inch. Any rock that sits up 3 inch, we're going to take it out of the field so we don't hurt equipment. But whenever you farm in Aroostook County, rocks always have the last word. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And if you get value out of watching these Wood Prairie videos, it really does help us if you'd comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks a lot.